we need to define a function. There is a definition for the function, that is a block of code. We define the code within a function with a def keyword and give a name to this piece of code that is known as function name. You can call this function with its name whenever it is required in your program. To call this, you need the name of the function followed by the brackets. When this call is encountered, this calls the function name. On calling this function name in our program, this piece of code executes. Sometimes it returns some value, whatever is defined inside this piece of code, or we can say inside this function. This call is responded and function accordingly, and this piece of code is executed whenever the call is encountered for this function. It also returns the value